In a world where lightning strikes with purpose, a barren tree stood alone. One day, a bolt of lightning carved intricate patterns into its bark, transforming it into a masterpiece. "Why me?" the tree asked the sky. "Because you stood tall," the sky replied. The tree realized that challenges could create beauty. Inspired, it shared its story with the wind, which carried it to distant lands. "Embrace your scars," the wind whispered to others, "for they tell your unique story." And so, the world learned to see beauty in the unexpected.